Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Guys, I request you all that everyone turn on your cameras and you have to do one thing here. See, we are going with a triangles lesson, right? We are going with a triangles lesson. Simultaneously, you have to solve your NCRT. There is no one, I'm not going to tell you that. I'm not going to tell you that you have to solve NCRT. I just already told you that as simple as that. You have to go to your NCRT problems and solve it and just post it in the Google Classroom, or you just send it to me in WhatsApp. That is a better. I told you, but because I'll be as soon as I done with 75% of the triangles lesson, I'll be posting a worksheet on that. You have to solve that worksheet as well as, and on regular basis, look at this. On regular basis we are having quiz, which means I'm going to test you. Regular basis we are having quiz, right? So quizzes we are having. Along with that, your homework is daily homework. I repeat, everyone, I have been telling this. Now again I'm stressing on this point, that is, you have to solve your NCRT problems. NCRT, you guys have your NCRT textbooks, right? You have to solve that. If you don't understand anything, you have to post it immediately in the Google voice app doubt session. There is a doubt column, right? Doubt platform there, you can just post it out your doubts over there. I think Kaji has posted 2 doubts for there. So as soon as she comes, we can ask that, we can clear her doubts. Now, those who are present over here, you can ask me the doubt. Whatever the doubts you have, you can ask me. I think
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
yes.
Sir, actually, I have a class within 10 minutes, sir. So I have a small doubt. Could you clarify
Please,
that?
please, please. You clarify your doubt and you can leave the class. No problem.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, actually, it is exercise question of lines and angles, sir.
Okay.
Like fifth question, sir.
Fifth question. Tell me the question. I don't have that textbook, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir. So actually, the question is that we can solve the question with alternate interior angles and so on, sir. My doubt is that
Which
in
exercise? Which exercise? Which problem?
point three, sir, fifth question.
Tell me the question.
So,
Tell me the question.
so can we solve that using sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees? So the
See,
question is,
Tell me, come on.
So could you share the screen, sir?
I'm
So we
sharing
could.
it. Yeah, one second. I think.
Let's do the afternoon video. See how it is.
Wait. Don't waste my time. Wait.
PS is a right angle, sir.
Okay. Tell me, what is the question? What is the
So
question?
PQ is a line, sir, first.
Okay. PQ is a line. Okay.
PQ is a line, and it is from other side. From other side, we have to draw a diagram. So
Okay. You tell me the question. Read the question right here. PQ.
just 1 second, sir. I don't have the question. I have the diagram.
Okay. PQ is a line. Okay. I have drawn the PQ line. Yes, me. Tell me, PQ is a line.
PQ is a line, and from the point P, draw a line towards down, sir.
Okay. Very good.
So that is right angle.
Okay. Right angle.
Up,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. This okay. Up like this. We have to join this one.
No, sir. The right angle is PS, sir. Mention.
PS.
Uh,
Okay.
so the right angle is PQ, sir. Like SPQ is right angle, sir. P is right. Angle P is
Acha,
equal.
angle P is okay. At P, it is making 90 degrees. Okay. Very good.
Yes, sir.
And S is
So
okay. Hmm.
we have to draw like a transverse arch, sir, towards Q and
Where is Q?
line.
Okay. This is the transversal line. Okay.
No, not like that, sir.
Uh,
From S, sir, that is also a line, but
okay. Okay. Do we need to join somewhere here and here somewhere? This like this?
yes, sir. We need to join like that, and the
Okay.
exterior angle is 65 degrees.
65 degrees. Okay. And what is this? What is this angle? Q or RR?
R, sir, and the line is T, sir. It extends up to T,
Okay.
and there is a line in between, sir. Q and S.
Okay. Q
We
and
have to draw.
okay. Q and S you have to join. Okay.
Yes, sir, and they gave two angles
Hmm.
in the S side, sir.
Okay. Which side? This down upper?
Down, sir.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. What this one? Okay. Tell
Y,
me
sir. That angles are Y.
why. Okay.
Other side is also Y, sir.
This
Another
is also,
side.
this is also why.
No, sir. Uh,
Okay.
like in the S angle only, we'll be having two angles now, sir.
Okay. That you are
Side.
saying that yes, a full angle, full Y. Okay.
Yes, sir. Y.
Okay.
So
This
two actually no, sir. Two Y, sir. There will be a Y and here will be a Y. So
okay.
up we have to draw and Y, sir. Like PQ is equal to X, sir. Like
It's a
how
Q
we
angle.
drawn
Q
Y.
Q is this a PQS is okay. S okay X.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Hmm.
And uh,
You should.
S SQR is 28 degrees, sir.
Okay. Okay. What
So
we have
can
to do?
we can we solve this question using area of sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees, sir.
Yes. Why not? Why not? You can solve it. So look at this. If it's a linear pair, what is the angle is
So,
going to be? Yep.
so first we have to solve it by using the criteria that exterior angle criteria, right?
Yes,
To find
exterior.
y.
Yes, beta. Yes. Why exterior angle criteria is what? Exterior angle criteria. Here QRT. Look at this Q. This RT. QRT is equal to this one. QRT. This QRT is equal. Let me write QRT is equal to
65 degrees.
RQS plus RSQ. RQS and RSQ. Q and S. Q and S. Look at this here. Exterior angle property. This exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. All right. So that's what we have. And now Harini is saying that by using sum of all angles, so angle P plus angle Q plus angle S plus angle R is equal to 360 degrees. So 90 plus X plus 28 plus S is what? What is S? Y or 2y?
Y, sir. 2y.
2y plus, and this is how much? How much this one? 65,
One.
181,
Sir, 115 degrees.
115 degrees is equal to 360. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
We
Yes.
have to find out x and y, right? X and y. So we have two variables here. So 100 plus 28, how much? 118 plus 115, 133. So 233. 233 plus x plus 2y is equal to 360. But we will be getting an equation x plus 2y is equal to 360 minus 230 minus how much? 7. So 5. So 2, 127. Isn't it? Is it clear? 127. Isn't it? So x plus 2y is equal to 127 we'll be getting. So now if we get a similar equation, something like that, if you get a similar equation, one more equation, so we can solve that two and we can solve those two equations and get the x and y values. X plus 2y is
Excuse me,
equal to,
sir.
Sir, we can, sir, we can.
one second. Harini, this is the way to solve. Yes, Piyush.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Sir, what I mean to say is like we are already given angle exterior angle QRT, right?
Hmm.
So in angle QSR, 65 degrees is equal to 28 degrees plus y degrees. So we can
yes,
get
sir.
Yes, that is what I'm telling. That is what I'm telling. That is what, look at this here. 65 degrees is equal 28
28
plus
plus
y.
y.
So y is equal to what here?
37 degrees.
Huh? 37.
37 degrees.
37.
See, this is the very easiest way. But her doubt is, Harini's doubt is, sir, can we solve by using this, quadrilateral sum? Like, sum of all interior angles have a quadrilateral 360 degrees. Can we solve by using? That is her doubt. So we can solve, but look at this. This is one equation I got. Similar, if I get one more equation, I can just get
Sir,
out.
1 minute, sir. Sorry, sir. I have told the question wrong. There will be no y which you mark it with the.
This one.
Yes, sir. That's the question, sir. Actually.
Okay. So y means what it is going to be then? This part is going to be what?
I'll be 37 still.
So we have to find out that let us say that this is some A angle. So now I found that what is my A here? What is my A here?
37 degrees.
37 degrees. A. So now 37. I'll mark here 37 degrees. Now find out x value here. Find out x value is x plus, so 233 plus. Find out x value from this. X is equal to what now? 360 minus how much? 90 plus 127. 127 plus 115, how much? 127 plus 115, how much? 12,
242.
242. 242. X is equal to what now? 360 minus 242, how much? So 60 plus 58. 58, so 108. Clear? Is it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I think, but do we get the right answer here? Did we get a right
No,
answer?
sir. We are getting if we do like by
Is it
application
right
of.
answer? Is it right
No,
answer?
No, sir.
Then
Sir, we did not add the y variable.
hmm.
Sir, we did not add the y variable.
Look at
Actually,
this
y
here.
plus 37, right?
Yes, look at this here. Y is 37 means how much it is going to be? It is 37, right? How much it is going to be?
So, but
Sir,
it is
no,
not.
there's a mistake.
Huh?
sir, is it?
Yes, tell me. Come on.
Sir,
Yeah, but
are
it is
PQ
not.
and SR parallel?
One member. Yes, tell me. Yes.
Is PQ and SR parallel?
PQ and SR parallel. Yes, it seems so. Yes. What about Harini? Harini only should know that. She only given the
Sir,
question.
once I will read the question, sir. See, in figure, if PQ is perpendicular to PS,
Okay. PQ is
parallel to.
PQ is perpendicular to PS. PQ is perpendicular to PS. Okay. Correct only.
So, yes,
Yes.
sir, they are parallel. PQ is parallel to SR. So,
Okay.
Sir,
angle
then x is 37, y is 28.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
so X is equal to 37 and Y is equal to 53, sir. Which, like I saw it in the criteria of angle
Sir, if,
alternate interior
eh,
angle. Sir.
Sir, angle PA plus angle S is 180, right? Sir,
Sir, if x is
180,
equal to
right?
37, then angle P plus angle x plus angle y is equal to 180. So then we can substitute and
So
we
then
can-
I think so may I say something?
One member. I cannot understand anyone's voice. If you are talking at a
One
time,
doubt. So shall I say?
anyone, yes.
So this is Tavis, sir. If we go with the PQ and SR are parallel, then 28 and 37 are not 180 degrees. They should be 180 degrees, right?
They should be 180 degrees parallel. Yeah, same
But
side of
if it
same
is
side of
more,
same
but
angle,
if,
same side of transversal line supposed to be 180 degrees. Yes.
but if it follows the parallel line formula, it won't satisfy the exterior angle property.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Same doubt.
Yes. It won't be satisfying. Then what is going to be that? What is going to be that? Whether now look at this here. Is it given? Does he given that there is a transversal line? Yes, of course it is a transversal line only. If it is a parallel,
Where is a transversal line?
is it?
Uh,
1 second. This if one line is passing here, of course it's a transversal line. Yes. Here P, here somewhat here Q, here we have something like
Sir, I
R
have a small doubt, sir.
but
here.
Sir, I have a small doubt, sir.
Yes.
So if angle P is 90 degrees, then how is angle S like not 90 degrees?
How I didn't get you. Sorry.
So if angle P is 90 degrees, then how is angle S not 90 degrees? Because PS is parallel to QR.
Yes,
So
sir.
he has given that PQ is perpendicular to PS. That is what she had said, no?
yes, sir.
So then angle PSR should also be 90 degrees, right?
PQ, yes. PQ is perpendicular to PS. That is what she said. Now PQ is perpendicular to PS means, so what does it mean? So PQ, this is a PQ. It's perpendicular means it is making 90 degrees here. Now, which one you are saying? Which one you are saying?
So angle S, PSR.
Angle S is what?
It should be 90 degrees, no, sir.
So if you make a 90 degrees here, okay, let us say that there is a 90 degrees. Let us say 1 second.
So I think first we have to find the x values.
This is 90 degrees. Okay. So first you find x value by using what? Property of triangle. This is 90 degrees here. This is how much here? Is it 45? Can we decide 45? Is it not? It is not possible to decide. He has given some.
30, 50.
This is he has given y. He has given y, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is y means what it is going to be? Let us say
Y equal to
90
28.
minus
sir.
37.
37 we got. So 37 we got. I'm writing 37. Okay, perfect. 37 degrees. Now,
But x will be 37, sir. By using exterior angle property, x plus 28 is equal to 65, sir. So x will be 37, sir.
see,
So-
you mean alternate interior angles? Alternate angles. X and this 37 are alternate angles. So that you are saying that one.
Yeah, yes, okay.
So now 37 means what is y going to be? So
90
37.
minus 37.
So 28. Y is going to be 28.
Y is
That will
going
be
to be
53, sir.
Sir, 53, sir. 90
Sir,
minus
that is a
37.
doubt,
right?
sir.
1 second. 1 second. Look at this here. Look at this here. 37. X is going to be what now? Also 37. So if x is 37 and angle P is 90 degrees, then y is going to be what? 180 degrees. So y is equal to 180 degrees minus 127, which means 53 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Sir, here's the doubt, sir.
Yes.
So that we have to divide the triangles by using the line QS to find whole area of quadrilateral.
Sir, my doubt
Not
is,
dividing like that. Not dividing like that. We have to solve this question by using triangles only.
Yes, sir.
Triangles only. By using triangles property, we have done that correctly.
Yes,
And
yes, sir.
why? Because triangles property we also learned in lines and angles as well. Lines and angles also we have discussed triangles property. So this is how we
Yes,
should
sir.
solve. I hope I cleared it out. Yes. Come on. Who's
Yes, sir.
yes,
So
sir.
can
Sir,
I,
my doubt is like if angle RQS is equal to 28 degrees, then and PQ and SR are parallel, then shouldn't PSQ also be 28 degrees like angle Y?
Yes. If it is that, look at this. Then you are saying that this is also y is supposed to be also 28 degrees.
Yes, sir. Like if we are taking alternate interior angle.
If you are 28 degrees,
Yes,
then
sir.
it won't be 90 degrees. It won't be 90 degrees, right? So 28 plus
Yes, sir.
37, where it is matching?
Yes, sir. I mean to say, like, if this alternate interior angle is not matching, then what is the guarantee that angle X is actually 37 degrees?
Yes, you are also, that is also that is also makes a point here. So apart from that alternate interior, I mean, vertical opposite angles, apart from that property, is there any other property which makes this question true?
Sir, it is not given that PS is parallel to QR, right? So can it be that
PQ
it
is
can be
parallel to SR.
changing?
It is given. She said that it is given.
No, so PS is not parallel to QR, right? So
Yeah, this is not parallel, of course. It is not parallel.
can it be like X and 37 might be different, like the angles,
Yeah,
since they are
definitely.
not
They are
parallel?
not parallel. Since they are
Okay,
not
yeah,
parallel,
yes, sir. Understood.
yes. Acha. So that is the
Sir,
question. That is the
actually,
question. Yes, yes, understood. They are not parallel. So that is then it is not equal, Piyush.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, tell me.
sir, I have the class, so can I leave?
Please. You can. I told, right? You can just leave the class. I told you when you clear your doubt, you
Yes,
can
sir.
just.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much,
Welcome.
sir.
Okay. Any doubts? See, I request you all that everyone look at this. Your homework, your homework every day. Every day your homework is NCRT. Solving NCERT. I told you long back, and R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, whatever you have. R.S. Agarwal, if you have R.D. Sharma, R.D. Sharma, go through the exercise every day. Go through the exercises of these. All right. Every day. Like now we are in triangles, right? Triangles. Triangles. And now randomly I'll call upon one child and I'll ask you whether you have done with your homework or not. Randomly I'll asking you one by one. So now we are in triangles. So most of the now properties of triangles we have discussed, criteria of triangles we have discussed, and everything we have discussed. Now the thing is, you must start solving your NCRT questions of triangles as well as RS Agarwal. If you have RD Sharma, you can just try to solve this. This is your homework, and randomly I'll pick upon a couple of children. I'll ask you whether you have done with your homework or not. If you are not doing that, so straight away I'm gonna call your parents and give a complaint. That is as simple as it. This is what I'm going to do. All right, you understand? You understand or not? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So you,
sir.
what is your homework? To solve NCRT, RS Agarwal, RD Sharma, whatever the book you have. Solve triangles and be ready with your doubts. See, be ready with your doubts. As soon as you post your doubts in the Voice app, you just text me, drop a message in WhatsApp. Sir, I have posted a message. I have posted a doubt in a note Voice app so that I can collect all those doubts. I'll extract in the OneNote so that let us not waste our time. See here, what happens is in Voice app. This is Voice app. There is a doubt column, right? Doubts, criteria. So in that you will be posting your doubts. So what I do is I'll just take that question. I'll snip it. I'll drag on OneNote. I'll just paste the question here so that everyone can see the question. And there will not be uh, there will not be a case of going again and again to the Voice app and just looking at the question and again and wasting our time. So that should not be there. If you post all the doubts together, I can just collectively I can take those all those doubts and just extract in this OneNote. We can just make sure that everyone can have a look at those doubts, at those questions particularly. All right, so what do you understand from this? What I'm trying to say here is you guys have to just post your doubts over there so that I'll take it out, I'll snip it, I'll paste in the OneNote so that everyone can see, everyone can have a look at that question while we are solving it out. All right, I hope it is clear with everyone. Your doubt is what? Solving NCRT, RS Agarwal, RD Sharma, whatever the book you have, whatever the book you are having with you guys. So please go through that and try to solve it out. Now we are in triangles lesson. Solve your homework is today. Today's homework is to finish first exercise. Today's homework is to finish exercise. What is the Which chapter is this? Which chapter is this? 5 point?
Exercise 7.1.
7.1.
7.1, sir.
Everyone should solve this, and you know, everyone after solving that, you must drop a message in WhatsApp, sir, I have done with that. So if I ask, if I feel that, you know, if I ask someone randomly that you must in a position to send those questions in WhatsApp. If I ask randomly, say, Mohit, send your homework. I'll ask randomly. Let us say I'm asking Mohit. Mohit immediately should send me. Let us say I'm asking Piyush. Piyush immediately should send me. If I ask Kavya, Kavya should send me. All right. If I'm asking Rishikesh, Rishikesh should send me immediately. That's what. You understand, children? You understand, children? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. Understood.
See, this is your homework, and as soon as we finish our triangles lesson, 75% of, you know, triangles lesson, I'll be posting a worksheet that is also you have to solve. And now, guys, now tell me, if you don't have any doubts, shall we have a quiz now?
Sir, I just posted around 3 doubts I had in the
No,
WhatsApp.
so even I posted long ago before him, sir. Can you please clarify mine?
1 second, definitely. Let me refresh it. Okay, Toshnika doubt.
So I kept it Toshnika I. Yeah.
Sir, one thing I want to say, sir.
One
Since
thing.
I don't have R.D. Sharma and R.S. Agarwal, sir, so can I do only NCERT?
Yes, you can do that. Anything
Okay,
you have to do. Anyone.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If you do NCERT, that shouldn't be, you know, NCERT means you shouldn't copy from any other websites. If I find anything, something like that, what I'll
You
do?
ask me, sir. I will say, sir.
Yes, I'll simply, you know, throw you out of the meeting. I'll call your dad and say that, uncle, huh? Strain is not working. Strain is not solving. That's what I'm gonna do actually.
Okay,
Yes.
sir. Okay, sir.
Chalo. Which is your doubt? Which is your doubt? Toshnika, tell me, come on, which problem?
Sir, all the 3 problems, sir.
So look at this here. So all the 3 problems. Okay. First problem. You just tell me the first 5th question.
So 1 minute.
7 root 3. So let us say let us do one thing here. Let us do one thing.
Yes.
1 second. I'll take a snap of it. No problem.
We can simply snip it.
Okay, sir, the 5th question is
No. Wait. Let me take. Let me snip it. Chalo, we got it here. Everyone have a look at this. Chalo. See here. See here, this is the question, beta. So 7 root 3 given. We have to rationalize it. How can I rationalize this one? So first you have to do individually. So let me solve the 5th one. This one. 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3. See, Toshnika, I'll give a hint here. I won't solve entire question.
Yes, sir.
I'll give a hint. See here, I'll be solving this. You have to solve this one. After solving these 3 answers together, you have to add that.
Okay, sir, then can you just do me one favor, sir? Instead of solving the first one, can you solve this third one? It's kind of difficult.
Yes, true. Definitely. That is great. Okay. 3 root 2 divided by 15 plus 3 root 2 we have. Rationalize is asking for rationalizing, right? So now whenever I have roots in the denominator, it will be like itching. Whenever we have denominator, whenever we have roots in the denominator, what I simply do is into root 15 minus whatever the symbol I have here, I'll be keeping minus. I'll be multiplying, dividing with the opposite symbol of that. Rationalizing means what? This is the rationalizing. I already discussed this kind of concept in the earlier class. Look at this. So 3 root 2 divided by, now 3 root 2 into root 15 minus 3 root 2. Is it clear, Toshnika? Divided by, now the
Yes,
denominator
sir.
part is looking like a minus b into a plus b. Isn't it, beta?
Yes.
Here or a root 15 here. So a square minus b square. So what is a square here? 15 whole square minus b square is what? 3 root 2 whole square. So how can I do it now? Here, this into this. What I'm going to get? 3 root 30. Is it clear?
Yes.
Minus. So 3 root 2 into 3 root how much? 9, 2 is 18. Isn't it? 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 what? 3 root 2 whole square. 3 square is 9. Root 2 whole square is 2. So 9 to 18. That's why I'm writing 18 here. Clear?
Yes.
So root 15 whole square gives me 15.
15.
So minus 9. So minus 18. Isn't it? Root 3 whole square. Root.
Yes, sir. The same thing we wrote at the top also. Yeah.
Same thing we wrote on the top also. Right. So now look at this here. 3 root 30. Root 30 can be written as how? 3 into 10, right? Isn't it? Yes
Yeah,
or
we
no?
can. Yes, sir.
Minus here. What can I do here? 18. Minus divided by how much? Minus 3. So can I take 3 outside? Can I write like this? Can I write like that?
Make it minus 6 into 3 also, right?
Minus 6 into 3. You can
Yes,
make it
sir.
like that also. It will be easy for us. 6
Yes, sir. You
into
can write
3.
it this way. Yeah.
So minus 3. Now what I have to do is, what I'll do here is, I'll be taking simply root 3 common outside or 3 common outside. If I take 3 common, what I'm going to remain with here? Root 3 or simply root 30, you write?
Minus 6.
Minus 6 divided by 3 minus 3. This will get cancelled. What I remain with now? Here minus of root 30 minus 6. This is what I remain with. So similarly, you solve remaining 2 parts as well. We have solved 1 part. Third part I have solved. You have to solve this part and this part. Add all those together. Finalize your answer. That is your
Okay.
answer. Clear?
Yeah.
So now coming to the 6th one. I think 5th one, it is clear with everyone. So 6th one.
Yes.
6th one. Look at the 6th one. We'll solve the 6th one. 6th one, what we have to do is rationalizing the factor. What he has given? 5th root of. He has given 5th root of a square b cube c power of 4. This can be written as what? A square b cube c to the power of 4 1 by 5 to the power of 1 by 5. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So now rationalizing the factor. If I rationalize, what I'm going to get here? Look at this. Rationalizing the factor, this one is what? Look at this now. If I write, so a to the power of 2 by 5, b to the power of 3 by 5, c to the power of 4 by 5. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes.
So now if I write this, so what I'm going to get? Same thing, a cube. No. What can I write this one? A. I think 1 second. Is this
So
the?
why do we have to?
No. One second. I have a simple question to you here. My question here is. The question is rationalize a factor. Do we have are they optional options, or we have to solve it individually?
No, sir. Actually, these are the options
Okay.
For the answer. I mean, we have to choose from these options.
Okay. So now what we have to do is we have to rationalize that. How can we rationalize? Look at this. Let us now the method which we have solved, that is not working out. So we have to go with another method now. So yes. Then we'll do one thing here. Square root of that one we have, right?
I guess the answer is A itself, because we already have the same denominators, right?
No.
No,
Cube we have. A cube we have.
we have a cube and b square.
A cube. That is what the reason, right? We are thinking. Otherwise, I would have straight away gone for that.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a small doubt, sir. But how is a becoming like a square becoming a cube in that?
1 second. A by b. We'll do one thing here. This is 5th root, right? 5th root. Instead of doing like this, look at this.
Yeah.
See,
Sir, I guess we have to add it all to exponent should be
1 second.
equal to 5. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, and C4 is given. So C plus 1 like that.
See. Look at this. The bases are same, right? Bases are different, right? How can you add the powers?
No, sir. I mean, we need to find a factor which is already the exponent should be equal to 5 like that. Like A is 3.
I didn't get you. So A square, B
Yes,
cube, C to the power of 4, O to the power of 1 by 5.
Yes, sir. So, like in the option A to the power 3 is there, right? then a to the power 3 plus a to the power 2. Like adding the exponents, we get 5, right? A to the power 5.
A to the power of 3, a power of 2.
Yes, sir. Like we get a to the power 5, right?
Huh?
So similarly for b also, b cube and b square, we get b to the power 5.
1 second, 1 second. So look at this here. You are saying that you are saying that a square. So a square whole to the power of 1 by 5 can be written as 2 by 5, right? So now this can be, you are saying that a cube into a square, a to the power of 5, right? A to the power of 5 whole to the power of 5. So 5 will get, you will be remaining with a here. So for getting
Yes, sir.
again a square, you have to multiply with a. That's what you are saying.
No, sir. I'm not. Last part is like we have to get the exponent to the power of 5, so that it will be cancelled. That's what I want to say. So in that case, option A is correct.
I didn't get your point.
So 1 second.
Can you please repeat?
Yes, sir. 1 second. I'll just show it on by writing it.
See here, I'll give a hint here. So if it is not the case, we can do like this, right? We can do here one method. Yes, whenever you have root x, rationalizing root x is root x by root x. All right, so what I'm going to get, x by root x. I'm giving an hint here, so we can solve by using that. Let us say that. Straight away we cannot solve, but this is how we can go actually. This is the one factor, x by root x, right? This is how we can solve, rationalizing. Rationalizing of any root is, this is how, but it is given a root, right? So what can I do now? What can I do? Simply look at this. Simply same method we will follow. Fifth root of a square b cube c to the power of 4 into fifth root of a square b cube into c to the power of 4 divided by fifth root of a square b cube c to the power of 4. So what I'm going to get here now? Tell me what I'm going to get. So this into this. Here a to the power of 4, b to the power of 6, c to the power of 8, fifth root. Is it clear? Yes or no? Divided by fifth root of a cube b square, sorry, a square, right? A square b cube c to the power of. Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Bases are same. I'm adding the powers. So okay, so after this, this is the one step we can do here.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Then can I show it?
1 second. See here now, if you do this, so what are you gonna get? 1 second, Piyush. Let us finish. Let us try by this method.
Yes, sir.
1 by 5. So a square b cube c to the power of 4, 1 by 5. So if you do this, so what can we do here? So 1 by 5 will be as it is here. So now can I cancel now? Can I write old? अरे यार इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं.
Sir, can you you can cancel the 1 by 5 and 1 by 5, right, sir?
1 second. No. We do one thing. Whole fifth root of. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now option A is going to be correct here.
Yes, sir. I mean to say the same thing, but then I tried a different way, sir.
Okay, sir, got it.
A square b cube c power of 4. This is the answer. Whether option is available over there?
No, sir, it's not available.
Can I
Sir, without the number itself. So without the number itself. A square b cube c4.
Can I share the
Remain, we got the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I share the answer?
Yeah. Base cube. Yes.
Sir, 1 second. Yeah.
Yes, we can see it,
Yeah.
but not properly.
Okay, is this visible now?
No. Look at this here. Have you done with that?
Hello. So basically, what I meant to say is like we have to multiply the all the variables with the exponent to get 5. Like if it is 2, we have to multiply with 3.
3,
To
yes.
cancel out each other.
Yeah.
Look at this. So that we can cancel it. That is what you are trying to say.
Yes, sir. Like for here, a cube, b square, and c fourth.
Acha,
Yeah.
for getting, acha, look at this here. For if you multiply, okay, if I multiply and divide with the a cube, isn't
No,
it?
sir, not multiply and divide, sir. Only multiply.
Then only it will be correct. No, how will you simply multiply? You cannot multiply. Whenever you multiply and divide, then only our equations, I mean, expression is going to be true, right? Isn't it? You mean, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. But like what I mean to say is like if you multiply option A, then you're automatically getting the ABC as answer. That's what I meant to say.
Well, look at this here. If I have something like this, now I understood your point. This is how we can write. So now here a to the power of 5 divided by a cube into b to the power of 5 divided by b square into c to the power of 5 divided by c all to the power of 1 by 5. Is it clear? This is what you wanted to say. So a to the power of 5 whole power, a power of 1 into a to the power of, so 1 by a square you will get again. 1 by a square means, yes, again you are getting same thing. I didn't get your point, Piyush. If you are multiplying and dividing with a cube by a cube again, if you simply multiply with that, what will happen? That is
No,
not
sir,
going to be true. We have to do multiply and divide, then only it is correct, right?
They're basically trying to say that to get the, like suppose you take root 2 and root 3, suppose, and not root 2 and root 3, sir. I mean, yeah, if you take them, we can, what we usually do is we take root 2 a common and 2 into 3 we are multiplying, right, sir? Hello.
Your voice is breaking, Piyush. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
I mean, like if we have root 2 and root 3, and we are multiplying them, then we get root 6 and whole like above root, like below root, right?
Yeah, but look at this here. Instead of doing that stuff, we can do simply look at this, a to the power of 2 by 5 here, one thing, b to the power of 3 by 5 here. Simply, guys, look at this, 4 by 5. We can conclude the answer, but option A is correct, but I think, option A only will come, definitely. That is for sure. Look at this here, to make it. This is what, how many of you okay with this point? Well, because I'm writing straight away, look at this here. A square, b cube, c to the power of 4, o to the power of 1 by 5, right? O to the power of 1 by 5. I'm just multiplying the power individually. So this is what I got. So now here, so we have to, this is now irrational, right? To make it rational, what I supposed to do? We have to multiply with what? To make it rational. To make it rational, what we have to do? It is irrational beta now. It is irrational. To make it rational, what we have to do? Look at this, 2 power of 5 into 3, isn't it? Isn't it? Not 3. 1 second. You have to multiply with what? If I multiply with what? If I multiply with the a to the power of 3 by 5 into b to the power of 3 by 5. You are saying this one, Piyush? Hello? Are you here? Very simple. Got the point. See here, no issues. Very simple answer. Don't worry. See here, this is the question. This is the given question, right? This is irrational now. This is irrational number. To make it rational, what I supposed to do? What I supposed to multiply with? With this one, with this one. If I multiply the given question with the,
Yeah, that's what I meant to say from that time, sir.
but I couldn't understand your point clearly.
Yeah, sir.
If you multiply, your explanation wasn't understandable to me, so that's why I couldn't understand. If you multiply, so if you should have told me that, sir, it is a irrational, sir, to make it a rational number we should multiply with that, so I would have understood immediately. So you told that we multiply. I thought for making an equivalent fraction you have to multiply and divide with the same number. That's what I was thinking.
I just wanted to cancel out the root 5, sir. So for if you have square and
yeah. See, you are right. So it is a irrational number. The small logic we didn't get. This is a irrational number. To make it a rational number, we have to multiply. If you multiply with a to the power of 3 by 5 into b to the power of 2 by 5 into c to the power of 1 by 5, the given number will become rational. So that what is the answer? This is a fifth root, right? This is a fifth root equation. So now look at this here, a to the power of 3 into b to the power of 2 into c to the power of 1 whole to the power of 1 by 5, isn't it? Whole to the power of 1 by 5 means fifth root of this one. Fifth root of a cube b square c is the answer. This is the
Yes,
answer.
sir, that's what I wanted to say.
Multiply. Look at this here. The given number is a irrational number. To make it into rational, we have to multiply with this one. So that is what the question is all about. Look at the question. Look at the question here. What is the question? For rational, the rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor n. What do you mean by rationalizing factor? So with what number? With what number if I multiply? So that particular given number will become rational. With what number if I multiply? So the given particular number will become rational. Yes, that is the number. So option this is correct. Yes. Now the next question is very good question. Third one. Look at the third one actually. Look at the third one. Very good question. X is greater than or equal to 0 here. So first we have to write third one, right? So first you write inside the bracket. Inside can I write x to the power 1 by 2? Let me write x to the power 1 by 2,
Yes,
x to the
sir.
power 1 by 2. So x to the power of root x here we have. Inside this can be written as again root x, and this can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. All right. Now look at this root x as it is here. This root x can be written as what? X to the power of
So
1
can
by
we write it as x into x square, like root x into root x square?
So I didn't get you.
Yes, sir. So we can keep the main root at the top and then put the first x into the second box.
Achha, you mean like both root x into root x, one x?
Yes, sir.
No. That see here. What is the case here? Inside this root we have this one, root x and this root x. It is not root x into root x. Both are not separate. Inside that big square root we have that small square root. If it is
Okay,
this
sir.
is the case, if it this is the case, then I would have done that. That is not the case here.
Okay, sir.
All right. So what can we do here? Root x.
So can it be like root x into x power 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 4?
Sorry. That is what. Look at this here. If you do, yes, look at this here. If I write here x to the power 1 by 2, I wrote, right? X to the power 1 by 2. This root x can be written as what? This root x. This root x. This root x. Sorry. This one. Arey yaar. This one. How can I write that? X to the power 1 by 2 will be as it is here. That particular root x will be written as what? X to the power of whole 1 by 2. Is it clear? Yes or no? Now look at this here. X will be as it is. X to the power of 1 by 2 into x to the power of 1 by 4 whole to the power of again 1 by 2. So x to the power of 1 by 2 into x to the power of 1 by 4 into x to the power of 1 by 8. So bases are same, add the powers. So half plus quarter plus. Look at this here. What is LCM here? What is LCM? 8. So 4 plus 2 plus 1.
So 7 by 8.
So
Option
7
D.
by x 7 by 8. So x to the
Sir,
power of
it's
7.
9 by 8. Sir.
What?
Yes, sir.
9.
No, sir. It's 7. Sorry.
So what is
Option
that?
D, sir. Option
So
D.
x to the power of 7 whole to the power of 1 by 8. Isn't it? So
Yes.
8th root of x to the power of 7 is correct. Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
8th root of x to the power of 7 is correct. So this is what. See here how I wrote here 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1 you have to write. First you write inside the bracket. Always you try to finish it inside the bracket. This is the inside the bracket here. Inside the bracket I wrote as it is. Now this root x I wrote whole to the power of 1 by 2. That is not the case. You cannot write inside root x into root x. Mohit, be clear with that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you cannot write. Next.
Not can we have a quiz?
Yeah, what is the time now? 52. 8 minutes we have. So guys, like exact 5 o'clock I have class, so I have to leave it out. So we'll have a quiz now for 1 second. Quizzes.com only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This website only, right? We used to write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not this one, I think so.
This one.
So it's the
This
same.
one only.
Yes, this is the initial the right your name.
Maths. Running quizzes. Find a quiz.
Sir, find a quiz you write.
okay.
Sir, this is John code, sir. Find a quiz you write lines and angles. Sir, this is code, sir, not for quiz.
code.
That is
Yes,
code.
code.
John code, sir.
Quiz,
Means we
yes.
should do that.
So find. Find. Can you go back a bit, sir?
Where is that? Here, find a quiz, right? Here.
Yes, sir. This one.
And overlay triangles, sir. Sir, keep class liners.
Yes. Yes. So we have 20 questions here. 20 questions. We don't have time. But
We 10 questions, sir. We have time, sir.
8 questions.
A similar. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, this is all small.
Okay.
When we are small, we
Similar
learn, sir.
triangle quiz. Similar triangle quiz. Let us have. Look at this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
To our lesson, sir. This is a different thing. This is like a puzzle or something.
Yeah, it's a kind of puzzle.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a puzzle.
That is why, sir. Keep
That
ninth
was
triangles, ninth grade.
So I have to leave after this quiz, sir, because we're going out. So I cannot stay in the class anymore.
Yes, we won't find any quizzes, something like
the
that.
first one.
Math class 9 quiz.
Maybe I don't know, sir.
So I think we can go with this class 9 lines and angles. And
Yes, sir. That one.
So where is the link here?
Sir, you start, sir, that is. You copy it.
So like just challenge friends, sir. Like that. Yeah.
Like that? Not sure.
Uh,
Yeah. Yes, let me show that. Let me copy here.
And place in meeting chat.
Yes, make it fast.
Yes, sir, coming 1 minute.
Join it immediately. Let me stop sharing. Let me start. Shall I start?
1 second, sir. Yes, I can start.
Yes,
Actually,
you can start.
I'll start.
I'm in a different quiz. It's not of our class.
yes, sir.
1 second. Let me share it again. Then you have. Yes, look at this here.
Sir, I guess.
Sir, it's about angles.
Look at this here. Whatever the quiz, no problem. You just start writing that.
so we are not playing Among Us, sir. We are playing with some other people.
Go. Can you able to see the screen? Guys, can you able to see the questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I started the quiz.
Sir, but we are in the other quiz, sir. There are no.
Sir, I'm leaving. I have to go. Bye.
Yeah, please. Look at this here. You can try it out. Look at the question. Everyone. Can you able to see the screen? I mean, can you able to view the quiz? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm playing it.
Yeah, make it fast. Which question you are writing, guys? Which question? Which quiz?
Sir, we are unable to see anything.
Ayo, I'm sharing it, but not sure. I think last time we have done with some other website, isn't it?
Sir, we every time have them.
Okay. Okay, children, let's start. We'll have. I think we have joined some other website, not this website, isn't it?
Sir, you are getting some disturbance, sir, from others or yours.